Kilkenny, or otherwise known as the Marble City, has always been one of my favourite places to visit in Ireland.
To help you out in the morning to empty your potty from under your bed. And what they would do is, like over there, they would open a window and they would just throw it out the window.
I popped down recently to explore the fabulous Shenanigans tour run by Nevin Cody. He's an award-winning tour guide.
Okay, come right in. We're now on the medieval mile.
The tour was filled with lots of crack, little bits of magic, and I really recommend it for all the family. There's plenty of culture to see as well in Kilkenny, and I popped by the Butler's Gallery, which was recently opened, and it's absolutely stunning. Built in the old Evans's home, it has a fabulous cafe, coffee shop, and of course a permanent exhibition of the local artist Tony O'Malley. I also caught up with some other gems and from Evie Hone and Manny Gellet, really beautiful 20th century contemporary artwork. And Butler's House has a special treat because they've recently opened a fabulous marquee and it's called the Orangery. Out in the garden you can enjoy beautiful afternoon tea, located right beside Kilkenny Castle and in the heart and centre of Kilkenny itself. The indoor dining is exquisite and it's a lovely romantic place to go. And it's part of Ireland's Blue Book as well, and a great place to stay in Kilkenny.